In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unarchive cards in Trello, step by step. If you've accidentally archived a card, or you need to bring an old task back to your board, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Trello and go to the board where your card was originally located. For this example, we're using the remote team board, but the steps are the same for any Trello board. Once you're inside the correct board, you'll see all your lists and cards displayed. Now, let's quickly look at how cards get archived in the first place, because this will help you understand how to reverse it. Click on any card inside your board to open it. When the card opens, look to the right-hand side for the card menu options. From there, click on Archive. You can also simply select the card and press the C key on your keyboard as a shortcut to archive it instantly. Once archived, the card will disappear from your list. Now let's move on to how to unarchive that card. To restore an archived card, go to the top right corner of your board and click on the Board menu. This is the menu that shows additional board settings and options. After opening the Board menu, look for the option called Archived Items and click on it. Inside Archived Items, Trello will show you all the cards that had been archived on this board. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have many archived cards. When you find the card you want to bring back, simply click on Restore underneath that card. As soon as you click Restore, the card will automatically reappear in its original list on the board. If you need to restore multiple cards, you can repeat the same process. Just click Restore under each card you want to unarchive. There's no limit, and you can bring back as many archived cards as you need. And that's it. That's exactly how you unarchive cards in Trello. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. Now you can confidently archive cards to keep your board clean, knowing you can always restore them later. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.